Selena, Class 10, Chapter 17, Circle. Sum number 39. In the given figure, I is the in-center of triangle ABC. BI, when produced, meets the circumcircle of triangle ABC at D. Given BAC equal to 55 degree and angle ACB equal to 65 degree. Calculate first part angle DCA. Joint IA, IC and CD. IB is the bisector of angle ABC. Therefore, angle ABD is equal to half angle ABC, which is equal to half into 180 minus 65 minus 55 equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle DCA equal to angle ABD equal to 30 degree, angle in the same segment. Second part, find angle DAC. Angle DAC is equal to angle CBD equal to 30 degree, angle in the same segment. Third part, angle DCI. Angle ACI is equal to half angle ACB equal to half equal to 65 into 65 equal to 32.5 degree. CI is the angular bisector of angle ACB. Therefore, angle DCI is equal to angle DCA plus angle ACI equal to 30 plus 32.5 equal to 62.5 degree. Fourth part, angle AIC. IAC is equal to half angle BAC equal to half into 55 equal to 27.5 degree, as AI is the angular bisector of angle BAC. Therefore, angle AIC is equal to 180 minus IAC minus angle ICA equal to 180 minus 27.5 degree minus 32.5 degree equal to 120 degree. Sum number 40. A triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle. The bisector of angle BAC, ABC and ACB meets the circumcircle at point P, Q, R respectively. Prove that first part, angle ABC is equal to twice angle APQ. Joint PQ and PR. BQ is the bisector of angle ABC. Therefore, angle ABQ is equal to half angle ABC. Also, APQ is equal to ABQ, angle in the same segment. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to twice angle APQ, hence proved. Second part, angle ACB is equal to twice angle APR. Okay, CR is the bisector of angle ACB. Therefore, angle ACR is equal to half angle ACB. Also, ACR is equal to angle APR. PR angle in the same segment. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to twice angle APR, hence proved. Third part, angle QPR is equal to 90 minus half angle BAC. Adding 1 and 2, we get angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to twice angle APR plus angle APQ. APR plus angle APQ is equal to angle QPR. So equal to twice angle QPR. Angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 minus angle BAC is equal to 2 QPR. Implies angle QPR is equal to 90 minus half angle BAC. Hence proved. Sum number 41. Calculate the angle X, Y and Z if x upon 3 equal to y upon 4 equal to z upon 5. Let that be equal to k. Therefore, x equal to 3k, y equal to 4k, z equal to 5k. Angle ADP is equal to x plus z, which is equal to 3k plus 5k, 8k. Angle ABC is equal to x. Here this angle BCP is also x, vertically opposite angle. Therefore, angle BABC is equal to x plus y, which is equal to 7k. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the pair of interior opposite angles. Also, angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree. Pair of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Implies 8k plus 7k equal to 180, 15k equal to 180, k equal to 180 upon 15 equal to 12 degree. Therefore, x equal to 3x, 3 into 12, 36 degree. Y equal to 4 into 12, 48 degree. Z equal to 5 into 12 equal to 60 degree. Sum number 42. In the given figure, AB is equal to AC is equal to CD and angle ADC is equal to 38 degree. Calculate first part, angle ABC. First, AC is equal to CD. Therefore, angle CAD is equal to angle CDA equal to 38 degree. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to 180 minus 2 into 38 is equal to 104 degree. Therefore, angle ACD is 104 degree. So, angle ACB will be 180 minus 104, which is equal to 76 degree straight line. Here AB is equal to AC. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB equal to 76 degree. Second part, we have to find angle BEC. First, angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 76 equal to 38 degree. Therefore, angle BEC is also 38 degree, angles in a same chord. Second part, by angle sum property, angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 2 into 76 equal to 38 degree. The angle BEC is equal to angle BAC is equal to 38 degree, angles in the same chord. Sum number 43. In the given figure, AC is the diameter of the circle with center O and chord BD is perpendicular to AC. Write down the angle P and R in terms of X. First, let angle AOB is equal to twice angle ACB, okay, is equal to twice angle ADB. Angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference subtended by the same chord. That implies X is equal to 2Q and angle ADB is equal to X upon 2. Therefore, Q is equal to X upon 2. Also, angle ADC is equal to 90-degree angle in the semicircle. Therefore, the R plus X upon 2 is equal to 90-degree. R equal to 90 minus X upon 2. Again, angle DAC is equal to angle DBC. This is 90-degree, this is Q, therefore angle B will be 90 minus Q. Therefore, P equal to 90 minus Q. P equal to 90 minus X upon